Hello, in this video you will learn how to adjust the focus order in Storyline 360 to ensure that alt text is read in the correct sequence for better accessibility. First, click the Home tab and then select Focus Order. In the Focus Order window, click Create a custom focus order. To rearrange the objects, click an object and use the up or down arrows or drag it to the desired position. The selected object on the slide will be highlighted with a red outline. By default, the focus order is left to right and top to bottom. To streamline navigation for screen readers, remove non-essential objects from the focus order. To restore an object, use the Add button in the focus order window. After rearranging, click Save to apply the changes. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted the focus order in Storyline 360. Thank you for watching.